Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to do a double treble crochet. Not a double treble crochet, but a double treble crochet. So to start off, you can have any foundation chain that you want. For this tutorial, I'm just going to do a quick 20 chains and struggle just ever so slightly with that one, but that's okay. That's the fun part about crocheting. Happy little accidents. So here we are at the end of our 20 chains, and we want to go ahead and chain 4 more. All right, and then the 5th chain from the hook, that one right there, we will yarn over twice. So 1, 2, insert our hook, pull through 1 loop, 2 loops, 2 loops, and 2 loops. So it's the 1, 2, 2, 2 method. So yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull through 1, 2, 2, and 2. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull through 1, 2, 2, and 2. And we're going to repeat this all the way to the end of the row. And sometimes pulling through these loops as 2s can actually be quite difficult. You won't see it because I've sped up part of my video, but I definitely can admit that I struggle with this. Sometimes you get a really good flow and then your hook just doesn't snatch the yarn like you want it to, and it just doesn't work quite right. But that's okay. That's the fun part about crocheting, is you always end up having fun with it no matter what. So here we go, yarn over twice, 1, 2, and 2, 2. All right, and here we are at the end. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull through 1, 2, 2, and 2. And give your little tail a tug to tighten it up. And this is kind of how it's going to end up looking. It's going to roll just a little bit because of it's the first row, but once you start getting more rows involved, you'll end up not having that rolling going on. So we want to turn our work and we want to chain 4. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull through 1, 2, 2, and 2. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, 1, 2, 2, and 2. You can start getting a really nice rhythm going. And we're just going to speed this up a little bit, but here you can kind of see how it's getting its texture and its height. It'll look really neat once you're done. Don't give up. Here we go. Supersonic crochet speed activated to get to the end of the row. All right, and here we are. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, 1, 2, 2, and 2. And there we have it. This is how you do a double treble crochet. It's a mouthful, but it's fun. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a like, and I really hope you have a happy crochet day with your double treble crochet.